Well, apparently we have Andy's, and we have an Andy.
Here and the elevator here were so good. We're gonna ride the elevator again.
We are here at Sonny's Pizzeria in Sturgeon Bay. I haven't ridden this in a while.
So in the same video, I've been healthy and unhealthy. I walked the steps and I showed the pizza that I ate.
Nice.
Let's listen to the motor. I will say this elevator is testament to Dover's quality.
Yeah, it runs very well still.
One thing I forgot to show
is the bumper. There you go.
The door close button works, I like that. And look at these thingies on the wall.
Thingies, that's a technical term.
Pizza. This is very fast going down.
Yeah, this thing still runs great.
So that is a good elevator, and the pizza was epic. If you guys ever come to this area,
It is a good pizza.
make sure you eat the pizza here and tell them Diesel Juicy sent you. Hope you enjoyed it, and that will be it. Just gotta take a couple pictures real quick.
Can you take a couple pictures now?
Yeah, I'm just doing my photos.
Well, is that Andy's? Is that your sign?
Yeah, sure.
It is? Okay. All right, well, that's it.